What's up, YouTube? Trying to do a quick video because I'm bored. But as you guys know, it's actually dark outside, so we got some big ass clouds. Oh my god, it's surrounding us. It's actually darker than what probably are at my house, and it's clear skies over there. But as you guys know, I got a third job. Another side job. I'm not sure how much it'll pay an hour, but I'm also like, they want me to work every day of the week, but I can't because of my lawn care business, so that puts me way behind. And this week I have to go to a house that needs major trimming and mulching, and that's also gonna be put behind as well. But in the rain, that's my excuse. But yeah, I can't work at the same time. So, but tomorrow, hopefully, it's supposed to be nice. It's supposed to rain all night, so that's good. But tomorrow, I have to go mowing lawn early in the morning because I got work this afternoon. And Tuesday, I have to go to this house. So, but I'd rather let the grass overgrow than cut it in the rain. Cutting in the rain makes it look nicer, sort of. But then I get wet. But anyway, guys, as you know, I did get the BB gun. I went to Walmart earlier today, and funny story there. We went to the gun section where they sold all the BB guns and the actual ammo for the real guns. And when we did, they literally just pretty much kicked us out. Well, not kicked us out, but made us leave because I'm underage by BBs apparently. Even though he was there, he was 22. But I tried, but I come back within 24 hours. But I had the $10 on the card. I think I sent it to my cousin, which is in the back. And he could have gotten me for me, but I just didn't have money at the time until I got refunded $20 today on DoorDash. Another thing is, I'm still upgrading my room, so that's going okay. My voice is crappy right now. My voice sucks right now, guys. What? I gave you 10.
Yeah, but like,
So? I don't have any right now. $10 are for babies.
like you can keep like 15 or
I don't have any right now. I get the $19 worth from DoorDash. I'm getting refunded again though, so I pretty much refunded. Huh?
What did you do? What's the trick? What did you do?
No, it's not a trick.
Wait, so
He's gonna keep asking. But 1 second. But anyway, guys, so that's going okay. All the Toys R Us that's shut. All the Toys R Us that's shut
being
down.
rotation.
Yeah. But
Because they're not getting much.
yeah, leaves and everything are going everywhere, and our car is about dead. But look at McLaren back in the rain. Actually, his car acts up more in the rain than it does here, so we'll find out what happens later. But yeah, it's been really hot where I am. I know one of my subscribers lives in California, so I'm sure it's rainy and nice there. So windy and stuff right now. And I just heard thunder. And if I could show you guys,
And lightning?
and lightning?
No, lightning's different than thunder.
No, I saw.
Thunder looks green.
Oh, I heard.
Thunder or lightning, it has the light.
I swear I'm hearing thunder, but I'm gonna show you guys how dark it is. It's not dark, but that's about how dark it is. So, but and there's Denny's, but actually work today was pretty busy. A lot more people got ice cream than usual, and then yesterday he just went to his though. Yesterday there was we keep like. Yeah. Yeah. Thanks, Tara. Thanks, Eric. Alright, big shout out to Eric. Thanks, Eric. Alright, so his car was acting up just now, so that's fun. Where? Oh. Guys, see the ambulance?
Patio.
Uh-oh.
I had to go.
Someone got poisoned! Yay. Yeah, Andrew. Yeah, that's another story. So we were at the park, and about, I don't know, what, 2 months ago? 3, 4, 6 months, not 6, but it was in November. It was like after winter. Oh my lord. I mean, guys, look at those clouds. That could be a tornado, but it's not. It's just heavy, heavy. It's just heavy rain. I mean, there has been tornado warnings where the sirens went off, but not that bad.
We never had a tornado.
It didn't touch down. But anyway, guys, that was the worst. Where was I? I was, oh.
My story.
Yeah. So, so this kid right here decided to climb a tree in the dark without a flashlight.
No, we had flashlights.
Yeah, but you refused to get his. So when he was coming down, I have one on me right now, and I got my gun thing. But I actually want to add a flashlight into my pistol, maybe. But anyway, that's not the point here, guys. The point is, if your friend or cousin climbs a tree at 9 p.m. or was it 8? I don't know. It was dark.
It was because we had to go to Jerry.
And we were going to this black guy's house. And one of my clients that I kind of want to upcharge or whatever I do now because he's a ripoff. And he's been paying me correctly, so I'm going to upgrade him. But guys, so he was climbing down. I was climbing down after I was waiting for him to get down each branch. And for some reason, he slipped his little booty on the branch.
Oh, no, this is what happened. It was the branch was up to here, so it was too far down for me to climb down. It was too far down. So that's why I couldn't get down. I slipped because I had nothing to hang on except I only have one left with. I had nothing to go on but that. So that was not my fault.
But, apparently, he did puncture.
I didn't hurt anything.
We were told you punctured a kidney.
I didn't puncture a kidney. It was just
weird.
a little. I was
Overall, guys, I probably should have waited until my parents got there, but he couldn't move, apparently.
They had a movie. Your parents would have done nothing. They would just sat there and do nothing.
I mean, we would
I
probably.
just made them get the ambulance.
Yeah, he was freaking out, so.
I wasn't freaking. That's my first time.
He was yelling at me to call 911, and I didn't want to, but I did because I didn't want the neighbors to keep wondering what that screaming was, but at the same time, once they see those red and blue lights, they're gonna wonder. But I'm sure that's like the first time. Oh!
Yeah, there's a lot of neighbors.
And there's a dangerous spot right there, guys.
There's the neighbor. The neighbors went up to us. They were there.
Is that? Oh, that's nice.
The neighbors were there when when the ambulance were there.
That's so nice. So there's a branch right in the middle of the roadway, and a car pulled over to pull it down. That's actually good, because that could cause a car accident. Anyway.
They had to.
Yeah, sure. But anyway, guys, so he went into the ambulance. I got the choice, I think.
No, you didn't. They wouldn't let anybody else on. They said we were fine.
I mean, I could have gone if I asked. My dad actually, I don't know.
Ginger.
I would, but they crashed.
Ginger asked, so, but she didn't.
No, but that was my dad.
No, Ginger asked if I could go on, but they said we don't need anybody. She was fine.
Anyway, I would have gone. I mean.
And your dad
I've been
was
in
so dramatic.
Yeah.
He told my mom in the hardest way ever. He didn't say, and he just did it. They told her, and she thought it was actually really
Amazon. Good. Yes. But more vlogs are gonna be coming up with the morning once I get this camera working. I'm hoping.
It's gonna work. Don't worry.
And it's going to rain. That's good. I'm hoping, guys, that I can find a way to like actually attach it and stuff. That's why he's here to actually help me put everything together. Cause my room on my floor is just like all messy. It's not even clean.
And you can upload it to YouTube.
Yeah, and hopefully,
Instagram.
Yeah. When I look back at the videos, no matter how loud I'm yelling,
you can put music.
Yeah,
so when you stop mowing, you talk, and then you do it, and then we add some music.
Yeah, and I can time lapse it too. I just don't know how to time lapse it while I'm videoing, but we'll figure it out. Anyway, so there's a head mount, a chest mount, which mainly I would use most of the time. There's a bike mount, but that really doesn't really matter Cause I'll be, it's mainly to see what I'm doing in first person. There are a bunch of attachments. Now the water.
The would be good if you want it on
the case that it came in, guys. When I opened it, a piece snapped off, so I actually lock it and keep it shut. But it did come with another one that you build yourself, which seems kind of crazy.
I can do it.
But we'll figure it out. I'll vlog, I guess. I'm not sure. Jack should be there around 5:36. But this weekend was really nice, really creepy, and really quiet.
Wait, who's gonna be home?
Mom and Ginger.
Yeah, Mom and Ginger. Michelle's coming back.
Yeah. Yeah. No. Yeah, I'm not gonna talk about that person because. Yeah. All right. Stop saying her
Hey,
name.
Trebang, what's up?
I think that sucks. Anyway.
No, because your dad's controlling.
Yeah. Anyway, guys, he doesn't want to work for me because
I quit.
it's not because of me. It's because of my dad. Eventually, when I get more money and save up, but actually, then I actually can pay him more than 30 whatever I pay him. It's my dad because he won't let me pay Andrew the amount that he's supposed to get in one day. He wants me to pay for gas and stuff, which I need gas. Actually, should save my $10 for gas, but I don't care. I have enough for at least one or two more houses, but the houses that I do around my neighborhood and elsewhere are huge. The Black-Eyed Jerry, sorry Jerry, but they are huge, and he can, and actually Andrew can actually explain a lot better than I can, but his is an acre.
It's like a half an acre.
Half an acre?
No, wait, not even a half an acre.
It's
Because
big.
my cousin, Robert, he has a half an acre. He has like a quarter acre.
But it's big, and it takes
Pretty
me,
big.
and just for edging with the stupid, crappy, oh my gosh, it's in our corner. Anyway, get into right hand lead. If this car dies in the rain on the side of the road, see ya guys, but I'm being ejected with my Fortnite.
I could have gone there, but it would have been too late. There's no point in going.
Yeah. And I don't think I just want to drive in the rain. But guys, it's getting darker every minute we drive, but like up ahead, it's so bright. Anyway guys, I'm gonna end it in about 2 minutes or so, but what I really want to say is, I'm not sure, but I'll vlog again, because my phone's at 66%, but today was super busy, and I got yelled at for no reason, again, by many managers and customers. It was busy and loud, so like I keep reading the order, and there's this thing where we have to do ask, tell, and there's another tree branch, lovely, and they're redoing the Nicholas parking lot, so that's been about a month or so, but it's crazy, so I get yelled at, I almost get sent home, and lose hours, and if I lose hours, that's pretty much meaning I work 1 day a week, which I don't need to, no, 1 day.
Oh, you don't work Sunday?
I do, but if I lose hours, so right now guys, I work 14 hours every weekend, or every week, because I'm 15, I can only work so many hours. If I were to work during the school week, or the actual week, I can only be there for 3 hours, and that's not much money, that's like $20. Not even. But it also, like, relates to what I'm trying to say is, shut up! I was on the replay. Emergency weather alert. I don't care. Kill Jill, kill Michelle, kill everyone. Got it. No, it's just a weather alert for Illinois, possible flooding. Actually, if there's possible flooding, we'll go swimming at the pool when it shuts down. I'm sure it's already closed, but apparently at some point tonight, I'm supposed to go to the pool, meet my manager, or whoever's gonna work with me, co-workers.
I thought you worked there already.
No, I start tomorrow. I'm kind of nervous because I don't know who to look for, and I know people that work there, and it's just crazy, guys.
Just go in there,
But
say I work here.
before I get off, actually, I'll show you the whole thing when I'm all up. I took out the gun, but the magazine is still in here, but I'll show you what it looks like on later.
You
Right,
have it on?
it's at home, because I was rearing and pulled over. the car died. I was actually smart though. But we did bring it to Walmart, and we were about to show them the actual size of the BB. He's like, no, don't pull it out, don't pull it out. Which is, we shouldn't.
Because people would think it's a real gun.
Yeah,
Isn't it?
even though it has a piece. But guys,
But
this is
people
where I'm
don't
at.
Look at that.
Right. We'll see you guys later. I'm gonna do a separate vlog of the GoPro stuff. Before my phone acts up because of how dark it is. We'll see you guys later. Lightning. You are worth it. Go Wildcats. Peace.